Hello, my name is Michael, and today I will be talking about how to promote your digital magazine application in the App Store. So, first of all, there are more than 10,000 magazines in the App Store about many different topics, and it's simply not enough to just have application there for it to become popular and for you to have readers on mobile devices. There are many different things you can do to increase your magazine popularity, and I will be talking about how can you do it when it comes to the digital version of your magazine. There are three different areas in which you can promote your magazine application. First one is promoting it amongst the people that already know your magazine or read your magazine. So you can let them know about the app through your Facebook page, or if you have the news on your website, you can put it there as well. And there are two reasons for doing that. Well, first of all, of course, these are people that already know your magazine and watch your social media, so they will probably be interested in reading your magazine on mobile devices. But there is also a second one. They are most likely willing to download your application from the App Store. And how App Store works is that the more downloads you have, the higher your application will appear in the rankings. So it's important to get as many downloads as you can. We made some tools that can help you with your application marketing that you can find in the promote section in your PressPad dashboard. So there are a couple of things here. When it comes to promoting your application among the people that already know your magazine, the most important ones are widgets and banners, Facebook Newsstand, and Web Store. So when it comes to widgets and banners, we prepared a simple code that you can put on your website. Everything is described in this section, and what that code does is that it will display a simple widget on your website, something like this, that will not only link to your application but also allow the user to actually purchase your magazine issue through the website using PayPal and then read it on his mobile device using your digital application. It also shows the smart banner, which is something that will appear only if a user will go to your website using his mobile device. The simple banner will appear leading to the App Store or just opening the application if the user already have it on his device. So what Facebook Newsstand does is it installs a tab in your magazine Facebook page that will link and advertise your mobile application. So if someone will go to your website, to your Facebook page, among the things like pictures and description informations about your magazine, you will also see a tab that will be talking about your mobile application, and from this tab they will be able to see the application page in the App Store and then download it. This is how it looks when it comes to PressPad and our digital publishing guide. As you can see, this is a very simple page. It just links to the App Store and to the Google Play Store. But this is something very nice if you want to advertise your magazine among the users. It will also show the issues that are available in the application together with the prices. So the last thing we have here is Web Store, and this is something a little bit similar to the widget. You can also put it on your website, but instead of small widget, it will show a full web store that will allow your website users to purchase your magazine issues through the website using PayPal and then read it on his mobile devices using your application. Just as widgets and banners, it is very easy to implement. You just need to put this line of the code on your website. The whole instruction is here, so it should be no problem to actually start selling not only through the application but also through your website. Like I said, there are three different areas in which you can promote your magazine. So let's go to the second one. And the second one is to attract customers that don't know about your magazine yet. So this is basically increasing your reach through the mobile application. And just as when it comes to increasing your popularity among the people that already know your magazine, we also prepared some tools and things that you can do, starting from the promo codes. So this is a new feature that allows you to send a promo code to someone, and with this promo code he or she will be able to read your magazine for free through the application for a specific period of time. This is a great thing when it comes to promoting your magazine amongst the influencers like journalists or bloggers, because they can see your magazine and then review it or tell their followers about it without any effort or investment from their side. Next thing we have here is App Store optimization. So this is a very important part. When it comes to App Store, around 60% of all downloads comes from search. So this is very important for your application to appear high in the rankings. There are a couple different things you can do for your application to rank higher, but the best one is App Store optimization. So we made a blog post about it with all the details and instructions on how you can do it yourself, or you can just go to app downloads increasing and let us do it for you. So what App Store optimization is, it is basically an optimization of your application keywords, name and description, because this is the main factor when it comes to how high your application will rank when it comes to search. If you look at the blog post, you can see both the ways we are doing it together with the results we got from App Store optimization. So this is something that can be extremely effective when it comes to your application marketing in the App Store. Of course, when it comes to promoting your magazine, there are many different ways that you can do it. So what you can also see in your PressPad dashboard is a growth tips section. And this is basically all the ideas that we have on how can you market your application and increase its downloads. So the last area in which you can promote your magazine is to engage the users that already downloaded your application. And you can do that through push notifications, email notifications, and samples. So first of all, push notifications are simple messages that your users can receive when they download your application. This is a great tool when it comes to promoting a new edition or something like that. Basically, you can send anything, and it's good to, for example, notify them about new things and promotions that you have. No matter if this is in your application or on your website, you can also send links in the push notifications and promote your magazine in any way you'd like to. Since these people already downloaded your application, this is a great audience to receive your messages because we know that they are interested in your magazine. You can set up to 5 push notifications per month, and this is very easy to do. You just need to write a message and click send message to readers. Another thing is email notifications. So this works very similar to the push notifications. Basically, the users that download your application can allow us to gather their email addresses. And this is something we can use for your promotion. Just as a push notification, you can send an email to your application users through PressPad dashboard. You just need to click on create new notification, write a subject and an email message, and click create. The last thing are samples. So after you upload an edition to PressPad, we automatically create a sample of this edition that your users can download for free to preview the full edition. However, you can add your own sample by clicking edit on the issue and then changing the PDF of the sample. So this is a great way of engaging your users. You can see this example from one of our magazines. As you can see, besides the magazine pages, there is also a message specifically for the people that download the sample that encourage them to download the full edition. Okay, so this is everything for today. If you have any questions regarding growth tips or marketing tools that we created, just let me know. You can email me at michael@presspadapp.com and I will answer to all your questions. Thank you.